champion. Can you huh? I don't know where. Update na lang kamo guys. Update. Ay na kami sa bus station. Ito 7. I-check sa amon nga ticket kung pwede siya ma-earlier. Because Inda has a flight and as much as possible we have to arrive at Saigon before 5 p.m. So let's see how that goes. Nagpa-alarm. Si ate nag-CR. Parang things yo. We're waiting for our buzz. Yeah. So mambiyahe 8 to 3. Tsakto. 8 to 3. Oh, tapos mag-abot. Matulog-tulog kami to. Tapos mabugto. Mga lunchtime. Manyaga kang mga coffee shop hopping. Kaya ang mga hood ko kakalipat kung hindi na pumunta mga karagalan. Sobrang bag mo mo. It's so chunky. Yeah. Anong uso niya sa phone? Uso na, di mo na sa mo. Ang kalachotche nga, kalachotche nga. Para sa frame, di ko siya para sa frame. Ang kalachotche nga lang. Uso mo na ito siya. Hindi, kahawid akong buho. Kaya kadali ko ng pamangkot. Ano ganyan pamangkot? Kung uso na to sa kamuli. Oo, uso na to. Kung mag-toilet, pili ka mo, ang may no nga pangalan, amo na siyang girl, ang nam, boy na. Ano ngalan sa girl? No. No? No, N-U. N-U? No? No. Ang nam, girl. Ah, boy, gali boy. Ano git ba lang? Confused. She can't pick one. Ang first na toilet naman. Nga, may toilet, may tissue. So, bali, sa ining vlog for, let's say, 45 minutes, seconds. She was talking about the toilet. So, nandito na kami sa bus. Ate, her space is missing. Yeah. Top bunk kami. Si ate, I don't know where. Yeah. Ay, paigad ko no? I don't know. Huwag ang bus. Guys, hindi na siya murky ang akong camera. Sadyang foggy lang gidi guys. Tina. Yes. How are you, Day? You're loving it? It's 16 degrees, guys. 16 degrees. Yeah. Sige, bete. Smoke effect, me? Wala. Wala. Hindi nga rin ako sa buha. Wala pa siyang effect. So, guys. Ari na kami sa amon nga. Ano na siya? Home, anong tawag sila dahil? Hindi mo siya hotel. Homestay. Wala kami neighbors sa Gua, so there's no point of showing you anything. May neighbors kami, pero like gabi. And then, may hot shower kami.
A few moments later.
Going na kami sa dito makadto sa Kokoro Cafe. So Japanese feels daw. Update na lang kamo guys. Yeah.
te. Tapos, mano ka ganit eh? Sige, pause pa. Sa pagid. Sa pagid. Pag hindi sa kunta ka man ko, no? Nan. Okay. Mus-mus? Ano, ni usyo ko na ng mus-mus ang gusto yung kwaon. Tago sa Japan Cafe. Coffee shop, I don't know. Japantown. Kokoro Cafe. Gakao sila ice cream sa malamig nga lugar, guys. Sa malamig nga lugar. So guys, kita nyo naman, bagong gising ang mata. Yes, from 3-hour nap. So bumakanto naman kami sa isa ka-coffee shop. Sa, ano nga sa coffee shop? Toy Moto Cafe. Hi, Inday! Na, puffy ice mo siya, guys. Mag-opitan ng bugtaw. Tapos nag-ulan. For the first time since October. Nag-ulan. Kita ko ulan. Yeah. So, update na lang ako, guys. We are walking down the hill. Saying do a dee 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 dum dee dee. Sa girlas mo? Okay, may motor. May sagwelas ko, no? I think. Sa poster, gali. So, makadto kami sa Tui Moto. And we're gonna enjoy the view and the good coffee. What's up, girlies? The scene po kami ngayon. Tata todo tuwad. Intay todo smile. Sadya. Why ka nagbalikid? Hello guys, hari kami lapit sa lake. Sandalat. The lake is here. And we're here. And they're there. Tapos, grocery na siya kuno. Ang mango nga na. Tapos, ang tulip here.
Flower pot?
Gusto ka muna. So, yes. So guys, dito ka niliwat? Sa Dalat Night Market. Or sa Dalat Market lang ng Gidjaya. Nag-shopping kami kadali sa mga pasalubongs. Dito kami dampi, oh. Nan. Ini siya mo siya doon main market. SPG to siya, guys. Bale, tayo pa kami nga kapoy. Tayo pa ka mo?
Ako pula. Kapoy ko.
Ngani. Oo. Pero sige lang nga. Basta lagaw.
Kisama lang na. Kisama lang kami diliin din.
Oh. Everyday gija?
First time na yun.
So, malagaw kami today. So, kailangan naman heavy packed breakfast.
Ano? If you need to escape, kadto ka lang eh.
Escape bro.
It's not easy.
Yeah. Bye. Update ako later.
Yes. Go to the Daba Hill and then go to the coffee plantation.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the temple.
The pagoda, right?
Yeah, the pagoda. Yeah, and
Anong inaabangan mo sa araw na to? Ang kaabang-abang. So excited! Tata and the coaster. The coaster and the Tata. Wait, shout out the hair. I-flex ang hair. Pa! Pa! Ay, dito tayo. Tata ko, touch me. Touch me. So guys, update ko na sa update sa ako manghod. Din kita. Datanla Falls. And si Mang Kiki. Front camera, wala na ganit mo ay na-zoom sa video. Ganit. Hi! We're going up the hill! We have a missing person. She's there, and she did a Korean one somewhere there.
What is the sound of that crocky? Arriba! Kurkukuk! Ara na sila. Gavakal. Sayang nga poncho. Poncho Filaro. Kuya naman. Base experience mo kaginaday, ano ang mapayo mo sa mga tour guide?
Very rude. Unprofessional.
Mapayo mo? Anong mapayo mo? Anong advice mo?
Be professional.
How?
You ask permission first politely.
Sa?
People lining up.
Kay man. Kasi mga grupo ka mo, manalot ka mo.
Pwede ka salot. You ask politely. Sa mga gapila.
Kasi na responsibility ang tourist.
The tour guide. Tour guide lang.
So tour guides listen well from
a tour person.
We understand, we are very considerate, but then you had to ask politely, bro. Politely. Yeah. Amon sponsor gali guys for today's adventure. Sige, tapusa. Wala lang. Update guys, ay kami sa crazy house. O diba kablo ko? Ayaw naman ko, hindi na kami. Ay kami sa balay sang hambal sa mga tour guide kagina. Nag-study daw siya sa Russia architecture. So I don't know kung ano natudlo sa Russia in terms of architectural design. Yung may staircase, di guys, tapos wala ding-ding. Let's see. So, bali, ang stairs. It's not like proper stairs. Naog ka, tapos diretso ka later manaog ka. I don't know where we're going next. Exhibit A. Dito ba sa kakato? Madiretso ka da. May stairs mo siya da. Or manaog ka da. So guys, another crazy idea of this house. Alright guys, we took the wrong turn. And we're stuck with this going up. Day. Dito ko manaog. Day, manaog ka ta, Day. But we have to go up. Manaog ito. Going up pagit siya. Further up. Magawa na sila sa crazy stairs. So, exhibit B. Oh my gosh, that's so hawa. Guys, exhibit B. May two paths naman dito. Go inside. Stop! Or you go upstairs. We're just afraid. Kana? Now going down the stairs. We are still in the same house, guys. Still the same house. May theme siya, no?
Kanta. And go. Action.
Where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could see but all that.
Go.
Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know?
And cut scene. Guys, sa sobra namang kalagaw, wala kami budget, kangkong, wala mong panyagawon, tanga na lang spices. Diet. Basta may preparing shake kami kagkangkong. May panyaga naman guys. Sabi ako nagutom sa magulang naman.
Like Weasel. They like it.
I'm a weasel. Huh? I will poop this out.
And I
And for this afternoon, amang ko aspiring businesswoman siya kadaan. So tanan nga makita ya venturing for business. Take a look at these guys. Take a look at this coffee farm with a chill lounge and an exhibit of Weasel. Weasel the poops coffee beans, bro. Okay. So diyan ta subungan eh. Ano nga lang sang coffee farm nga ni?
Melin.
Si Emeline. Mamilo.
Ang may feel, ay kabalo. Basta init na mahal ni mahal pa rin sa Starbucks.
Nag-vibrate akong phone dahil yung it's called vibrator. Mga utod ko gali ah. Mga matarong kong hautod. Update guys! Lakat-lakat. Yung sa mga white cherry blossom. Wait lang. Ako yung isa ka-sister.
na kami to sa tapos na kami to sa Hmong Village. Ari kami sa fake cherry blossom garden with the water sprinkly everywhere. Wait lang.
Tane.
Last trip, Saigon. Sigan nyo na. Ano oras mo late sa biyahe? Saigon. Ano ticket to? Anong feeling makamit one? Oh, we can feed them carrots.
Hi, sister. Hi.
Dude.
Say hi to me.
Lain ang kasabat.
Not you there, but them. Hi. Hi, little one.
Siya man nagalikas ang dolphin kagina sa music video. Ay, yeah, very good. Very good. Kalma. Okay, this is yours. Yeah. Very good. Aww. Yes, I'm here. Hello. Hi. Did you miss me? Yeah. How are you? Did they feed you? Hi. Dude. Dang. My name is Jep. What's yours? Our last activity for the day is this one, like, yay. Hindi kayo siya to, dahil. Ang handong katumbot ko na, guys.
Naka-alpine toaster na siya.
Side slide. Rainbow slide. Happy ka man, Day. Ande. Ano ka sa right, Day? Okay, guys. Kamusta man natin ang sister's trip.
Nami.
It's about to end. We're going separate ways again. Wala lang.
Kung isa na kakakandre, at ibon na ako mayoktok stod o sa inyo balay. Kita di, kasi dala sa maleta.
Oh no. Can I stay here for the weekend? Why? Because mommy got mad at me.
Tipo si ate, Toto, what are you doing here? Mommy left me here with my luggage. Tapos with a note. Ang note nakapunta sa note. Ano ito? Ang nakapunta sa note, te, alam mo na, ikaw na bahala.
See you Sunday afternoon.
Jet.
Update, guys. Dinta sa bang
Airport.
Sky.
Dalong si Inday.
Gilog. Tamat kita kay Pango.
I'm so sad. Wala na si Bunso. Napuli naman Bunso. Tapos ako, buwas. Amon magulang masubuan. Solo na naman. Eto na naman. Solo-solo lang dyan. Till next time, guys. Till next time. Paalam na. Kung excess luggage. And there she went. Our bunso is not so bunso anymore. On your left, Dai. On your left. And take 2. So sure na niya. So amon na gid siya guys, malakat na gid ang bangso, ang bonso nag-damage pa kami $75. Ay, panag-podcast kami kaginap. Sige lang. May blessing, mga palabuton. Siya. Kung blessing kasi piyak na side sa border. Bye! Okay. Anong feeling bilang subang?
Masubuan ko.
Kaya ako maghalila ka masubuan.
Kasi hindi, lahat ka lang yung makita.
We grew up together, but we were never that close. We were like cats and dogs, and Mama just couldn't have enough of the relentless bickering. We got separated long before any of us even started dating. We had our own dreams, aspirations, and ambitions, and they are never intertwined with each other. We barely witnessed the worst and the best parts of each other's lives, at least in the earlier years. That's because we chose our peers outside a family circle. We argued, disagreed, and low-key insulted each other's choices in life, mostly in fashion and boys. Yet, as we grew older, we individually learned and appreciated the value of having siblings. We learned to accept each other's differences, including our choices in men. We learned to appreciate that each other's love language and prerogative in life is different, and that is okay. We learned to celebrate each other's victories and comfort during defeat. We learned to hold our tongue before we speak out of spite or disagreement. Instead, process our thoughts wisely and be adamant in helping each other and not destroy another's heart. We learn to be kind when help is needed, maybe in words, actions, or just be a lending ear when one needs to vent out. We learned that despite the further distance, it was never an issue to rekindle, recover, and restore our relationship. Now that is true sisterhood.
And there was two. Naka-portrait ka. Kaya ako ng vlog. Ang itsura sa aming magulang. What happened?